Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. Will Cardano's latest push help ADA go up the price charts? After more than a month-long slump in the crypto market, some cryptocurrencies have started a new round of rebounds. Among them, Cardano Ada is one of the most prominent cryptocurrencies. The protocol has had impressive developments over the years, despite the price not reciprocating it. More scaling Cardano over the years witnessed increased pressure on its mainnet. Now it reached true mass adoption and support a global financial system of applications and services, scaling throughput was necessary. In its latest development, Cardano introduced a scaling solution Orbis. It is the first ever scaling solution for Cardano Ada that is set to leverage zk-RLOPS. It would incorporate SNARKs, succinct, non-interactive, argument of knowledge. A type of zero-knowledge proof that doesn't require two-way interaction between on-chain and off-chain modules. Just as with other zk-based solutions, transactions on Orbis would take place off-chain. Well, it would give Cardano the much-needed boost given the current demand on the said protocol. The Orbis ecosystem would allow users to build Layer 3 solutions on its top. Ergo, proving the scalability perks. It would also enable dApps to enjoy much greater throughput without compromising on Cardano's Layer 1 security guarantees. Off to a good start as per into the block data, Cardano's large transactions rose nearly 175% in the last 24 hours. The ADA price continues its latest rebound attempt after dipping to lows of 74 cents on 24 February. Cardano Shark addresses holding 10,000 to 100,000 ADA tokens, accumulated almost half of Cardano's total supply of 34.12 billion ADA. The ADA balance held by Cardano holders hacked above the 10 billion mark. It was the highest bump since December 2019. Over the past 5 weeks, these addresses contributed 6% more of the overall ADA supply. In fact, the flagship coin surged more than 11% in just 24 hours. Now using this as the catalyst, however, the pertinent question here is, can the number 7th largest coin surpass the $1 mark? Okay, let's move on to the next equally important news. This coin has the potential to stand out and be the best altcoin bet for 2022. Cardano price has been an attractive investment since the pandemic crash in March 2020. ADA rallied a massive 17,600% in less than 1.5 years and hit an all-time high of $3.11. This impressive rally has seen a massive slump since the fourth quarter of 2021 and shows no signs of stopping. This downswing, in particular, makes ADA one of the best altcoins to bet on for the next leg up. Cardano price was loyal to the $1 psychological level since it first hacked it on 9 February 2021. Since this point, ADA has bounced off the set barrier roughly 8 times, with the most recent retest on 3 February. Soon after, ADA sliced below the significant level and is currently hovering above the $0.843 level that could make or break Cardano. The $0.843 support level is vital for multiple reasons, so a breakdown of this barrier could see ADA crash by 56% to $0.397 and is appropriately termed as max pain scenario. There are 2 primary reasons why such a steep and violent downtrend is to be expected. Fair value gap, FVG. This technical setup is formed when the price of an asset moves quickly away from a point, creating an inefficiency. Often, as the momentum dries up, the asset explores lower and fills this gap. For Cardano, this FVG extends from $0.365 to $0.746 and was formed as ADA rallied 224% between 28 January 2021 and 9 February 2021. Since the subswing, the Ethereum killer has failed to fill this gap. Hence, a breakdown of $0.843 will be a catalyst that triggers market makers to push ADA to fill this gap. Volume profile gap. The volume profile indicator is used to identify the clusters or areas where the maximum volume of the trades occurred. These clusters or spikes often serve as critical support or resistance levels that help determine a potential pivot point. For ADA, the 2021 to 2022 volume profile thins out considerably from $0.843 to $0.398. Interestingly, the FVG is a subset of this range, and further supports the possibility of a massive crash to $0.398 if the $0.843 support level is breached. Interested investors can start dollar-cost averaging their investment at the current level, and leave some bids around $0.40. Supporting this outlook for ADA is the 365-day market value to realize value (MVRV) model. This indicator is used to identify the average profit loss of investors that purchased ADA over the past year. Currently, the 365-day MVRV is hovering around -50%, indicating a majority of the holders are at a loss. The last time this indicator dipped this low was in March 2020 due to the pandemic. As mentioned above, the pandemic crash served as a perfect opportunity to accumulate, leading to massive gains. Therefore, a repeat of this would indicate that Cardano will be an altcoin to pay close attention to. Assuming ADA retests 40 cents, it would indicate that the downside threat is void, and that a reversal is likely. The confirmation of the upswing or bull rally will arrive after ADA produces a higher high above the volume point of control at $1.238. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February -19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed -19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by -28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins.